Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Why Polkadot's recovery might just depend on this metric's 3-month high. Polkadot and its pair chains have created a niche for themselves in the DeFi space, cumulatively accounting for $1.31 billion. And, looking at the investors' response to these pair chains, it seems like their auction will play a major role in pulling Polkadot out of its price slump. Going once, going twice, and Affinity, the winner of the 6th pair chain during the second round of pair chain auctions, is scheduled to be onboarded on Engine on 11 March. With 3 days to go still, Polkadot is already exhibiting some bullishness. Even so, with the broader market still in a state of fear, prices have more or less consolidated for a while too. In terms of development, Polkadot is looking at the next pair chain auction ending in 2 days, which, by the looks of it, will be won by Nodal. Described to be crowdsourced decentralized IoT, Internet of Things, network, Nodal intends on leveraging Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, via millions of smartphones and routers, to allow enterprises and smart cities to connect IoT devices to the Internet. Voters seem to be liking the possible implications of this project, which led to heavy support in favor of it. Its closest competitor was the cross-chain money market Equilibrium. All in all, with Nodal looking to win the next auction by 11 March, DOT prices already seem to be improving. The squeeze momentum indicator, for instance, pictured the first green bar in more than 2 weeks. Furthermore, with the ADX climbing above 25.0, the active trend could see more strength provided the trend changes to an uptrend. In fact, there is an actual possibility of recovery beyond just positive price indicators, as investors' sentiment is now at its best since the crash in December. As soon as the same turns positive, the possibility of a rally recovery would become stronger. However, during cross-chain transactions, severely limiting bottlenecks and congested usage. Wormhole guardians protect the protocol from malicious actors and hacking attempts via observation and attestation of all wormhole transactions. The wormhole integration will be the first time Karura and Akala are able to communicate and exchange value. This will enable Akala to finalize the merge of the two stablecoins, OST and CUS. The union of OST and CUS allows OST to serve all pair chains in both the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems as the native, decentralized stablecoin, creating capital efficiency, utility, and enhanced liquidity. This will also enable OST to be minted on both Akala and Karura, with initial collaterals including DOT, AKA, KSM, CAR, LDOT, and LKSM. The blog post reads. Akala intends to employ OST as the bridge connecting foreign tokens from different blockchains. Furthermore, the wormhole integration will allow for foreign tokens such as USDC, ETH, SOL, AVAX, or Lunsa to be brought to the Akala and Kusama ecosystems. Users will be able to trade the assets or have Akala potentially approve them as collateral for minting OST. Readers be aware of bridges. Another advantage of the wormhole connection, as per the announcement, is the opportunity to increase OST yield and utility. The multi-chain interoperability encourages developers to create new use cases for OST, leveraging assets and dApps beyond the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystems. Users and dApps on other blockchains will also be able to import OST to their ecosystems for new yield opportunities. According to the post, a user will be able to mint their OST on Akala or Karura, send it to ETH, then use it on Solana, then Polygon, then send it back to Akala, with no wrapping or transferability issues. Additionally, Wormhole creates a channel for the usage of LDOT and LKSM products in other ecosystems as collateral, increasing utility, and the opportunity to leverage additional DeFi services in multiple crypto networks. If Wormhole sounds familiar to the reader, it's likely due to the fact that a bug in the Wormhole protocol was the main technical culprit behind the hack against the Wormhole bridge between the Ethereum and Solana ecosystems, making it possible for the hacker to run away with over 80,000 Ether, ETH. Readers are strongly encouraged to use bridges with care, as these technologies are often targets for successful hacks. As recently reported by CryptoSlate, just days ago a bridge, this time the Ronin bridge, not Wormhole, was hacked, allowing the hacker to steal the breathtaking sum of $615 million. Ethereum killer, leading innovation platform, and Internet of Blockchains. With over $1.2 billion of value locked and a $20 million market cap, DOT's numbers show some truth to these names. But if you ask any Polkadot investor, hardly any of them can explain what it does. To understand why Polkadot is essential for the future of blockchains, let's start by its formal definition. Polkadot is a blockchain with heterogeneous multi-chain and translation architecture. It allows interoperability, scalability, and innovation for Layer 1 blockchains. What makes Polkadot confusing for starters is its uniqueness. Unlike Ethereum or Bitcoin, Polkadot doesn't have smart contract features. The essence of DOT is the central relay chain. It provides infrastructure able to support up to 100 other blockchains at once. Security, governance, and cross-chain communication technology. All blockchains that connect to Polkadot can communicate with each other, known as paired chains. Communication was a big unsolved problem in crypto, as it limits the applications and mass adoption. But DOT's interoperability allows paired chains to transfer any data or assets with ease. The DOT technology in a nutshell. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot End 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.